Hey guys, your girl Ruth back for part 2 of the lotion I'm trying to make with the sunflowers, cactus flowers, lavender flowers, um, dandelion, and cattails. And I'm going to add castor oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. But this is how it turned out, the oils. I had to go another route, tried to boil it with the water, make the oils, and that wasn't working for me. So I took the coconut oil and I put all the ingredients in that and I let it boil, and strained it. And I need to strain it one more time. But yeah, so that's it. So now all I gotta do now is wait till this, put it in the refrigerator, let it get hard, and then blend it again, put all my other ingredients, and then I should be done. Okay. Check back on part 3. All right, y'all. Bye.